What's up guys, today we're going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy A31, and if you ask me, I would say that this is one of the best phones you can buy for $220, and for this incredibly low price, this phone checks a lot of boxes. It is rocking 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Of course, I will be giving guys the review of it real soon, so make sure you subscribe for that. Now without any further ado, let's jump in. So it comes in this box which says A31 on the front. Let's quickly unwrap it and see what we got. We get our warranty card. Let's get this lid our way. We get this box on the top which has a clear case and some instruction manuals. We get our device. Let's put it aside for a second. We get a 15-watt fast charger which would be able to charge its massive 5000 mAh battery quite quickly. Not the fastest charging at this price, I must say, but still really good. We get our earphones which are quite basic and cheap looking. I wish they had ones with rubber ear tips, but this is what we got. And yes, it does have a headphone jack. And we get a Type-C cable too. One thing I loved about Samsung that this year even their $100 Galaxy A11 had a Type-C port, unlike the latest iPhones. Lastly, we get our SIM ejection pin. Let's unwrap this phone real quick. And oh boy, this looks great. This black color looks real nice. It has a nice sheen to it. One thing I must say that it has a plastic back. I would have preferred glass, but it is what it is. And it is a fingerprint magnet, so it catches fingerprints like crazy, and because it is plastic, it won't shatter like glass, but it would get scratched very easily. So I would highly recommend putting on a case or a skin, whichever you prefer. So yeah, let's talk about the screen for a second. It has a 6.4-inch AMOLED display. It is a 1080p panel. It is 60Hz, no 90Hz or 120Hz, but still it is really crisp. The colors are very nice. It has a U-shaped notch. I wish it had a punch hole, but it still looks really nice and super immersive. And speaking of which, it has a 20 megapixel camera in that notch, and we have quad cameras on the back with a 48 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel auto camera, and a 5 megapixel depth camera, and a 5 megapixel macro camera. The camera quality is surprisingly really good. It produces punchy and vivid colors, and in most scenarios it gives you great pictures. And overall the software experience is also real nice, and with One UI 2.1 it is real smooth and fluid. The animations are great, and I think this is the best software experience you would get at the price, because I've used other phones from Realme, Huawei, Vivo and Xiaomi at this price. Their software is not that great, and as always I would cover more of its pros and cons in my review, which will be coming pretty soon, so make sure to subscribe for that. So yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more of this stuff. Give me a thumbs up, drop your thoughts and questions down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you guys in the next vid.